What's up, everybody? This is Reverend Big John. Welcome back to Reverend Big John's Backyard Fishing. We are on the road trying to make our way down to Florida, do a little bit of bass fishing, maybe some red fishing, anything we can get to get a nice tight line, trying to hook up with some of my compadres or other YouTubers and see if we can't do some collabs. But either way, man, I'm on the road. Look like I'm coming probably into my first little bit of weather disturbance. It was sunny and cloudy, but I see it a little bit overcasty up ahead. But we probably about 80 miles outside of Savannah right now. That's where my first stop is. I was planning to hit Lake Mare. Never caught a bass there, so I'm trying to see if I can finally chalk that one off and you know, get a nice big boy today. This is the 4th of July. So I don't know, you know, because you know when the 4th of July comes, man, everybody's out. Everybody and their mama's out right now trying to catch a fish and relax if the weather ain't bad. Where you know, back at home, I hear it's powerful thunderstorms coming through the Howard County area. So anyway, I'm on the road, on my way. This will be the first time I fished since the last time I caught that fish at Pretty Boy Reservoir back in Maryland. I said I might get out again, but I never got a chance to really get out. So this will be the first time I'm back in action, and let's see if we can't get some stuff. So we're on our way to Savannah, GA. Stay over there for the night, and then we're gonna head down to Florida. All right, I'll holler at your boy. I'll be back in a second. What's up, everybody? I told you I'll be back in a second. I'm back. Got my cousin with me, Nunu, knife towel. She's my Nunu though. And we at Lake Mare trying to get this thing done again. Don't you love the magic of video? I told y'all I'll be back in a second. It's been hours that have transpired. I went through a torrential rainstorm, and now I am out here fishing. Starting with the whopper plopper top water, trying to see if I can get something to get excited here.
I never realized the water right here is so shallow.
Yeah, it is. So those who have seen the videos before know I have not caught nothing off of Lake Mare yet. Uh-oh. Something just jumped out the water, but they missing. I need to get back in that spot. You saw that?
Yeah.
They was blind. There it is. This breeze is nice coming off of it too. And when the wind blows, it keeps the insects off of you.
That's right. They love me.
Now, me too. That's why I'm so covered up. I feel the rain coming again.
Yeah.
I'm just trying to get them to eat something from the top, which is, this is the ideal time, so.
Hey!
What's up, homie?
I came for the photo op like Donald Trump.
So did you get my text too?
No.
So she ain't get it either. I gotta check and see what number I got for you then.
Yeah.
I text both of y'all when I got to town. I just got over here though.
How's your race or no?
I have no idea.
It's that you that said that you're gonna be here today. But
That's me. Yeah, that's me.
Oh.
Y'all remember Miss Lucia from the last time, right?
Me?
He's live.
No, you got it.
Oh, right now?
Yeah.
Hey!
She had her son, my little cousin Pharaoh.
He's at home.
I'm fishing fast because I see this rain trying to come back. Although it's not gonna run me out of here. I thought the rain was gonna be gone.
How's Pam doing?
She good.
Oh, I said, hey.
Yeah, they coming down next week.
Oh, okay. So you gonna stay down there, and then they gonna?
Yeah, I'm gonna hang in Orlando for a week, and then I'm gonna go down to Fort Lauderdale for a week.
Oh, okay.
Come on, man. That good old rain just came. Where y'all at? Show my little cuz what's up.
Do you usually get a bite faster than this?
You can.
Oh.
At this lake, I ain't got nothing. Ain't nothing even show their face.
Well, it is. This lake is fed by the river.
Oh, they in here. Y'all got them in y'all backyard.
Oh, that's true.
Yeah, we did catch them back there.
It's the same water, too.
Yeah, we caught them back there. I think, sir, you caught one too, didn't you? One little tiny ones.
Did catch a little one.
Yep.
I think it really just sacrificed.
Yeah, because Dag fried one or two.
Oh, no, I mean when she was with me.
Oh no, that was Bradley and Jordan. That Dad fried their little fish they caught. I don't know what he put on them. They was tasty though. I think it was House Archery.
Come on. I'm not leaving until I get a Lake Mayor bass.
Okay.
Famous last words.
I wasn't saying that.
You know how strong the Johnson Mystique is?
Oh, I'm aware.
You don't take no for an answer. And we're gonna prove somebody wrong. Open the bail. No. At the same time. At the apex of your throat. So hold it at that point of release. Then no, you gotta open it up first. You ain't open it. Grab it in. Remember I showed you? Yep. Get it in your hand. You right-handed or left-handed?
Right.
All right. So put your finger. Grab your finger. Nope. Right here. Grab one finger. Grab that. Open the bail. Now you're ready to throw it. Now close the bail. There you go. Y'all, this Lake Mayor is kicking my butt. Trying to catch a bass out of here has been ridiculous. Seeing some fish jump, don't know what it is. Little fish trying to roll his plopper, nothing.
I was sitting here thinking, and suddenly what do I do? What do I do? Why do we do the things that we do? Why do we do? Hey, 11 months I was in the womb, I was surrounded and clothes, I was ready for boom. Waiting for the day when the water would break so I could come outside and not hesitate to do my job before it's too late. But wait, I was sitting here thinking, and suddenly I'm as smooth as water, run like a lake. I was given the ability to be great, but not greater than the one who sits on high. My Lord and Savior, who is alive. You see, he died on the cross, but then he rose. Well, that's the day when heaven Satan froze. Satan chained his mind, didn't waste no time because he couldn't hold. The son of time thought man, then started a plan. That's the day when our troubles began. So why do we do the things that we do? Or why do I do the things that I do? Why do I do? Yeah, what I'm about to say is not complicated.
All right, y'all, we done tied on black and blue. Black and blue, little finesse worm. We're gonna bounce it on the bottom. See if that can't get a strike. I ain't gave up just yet. But I ain't got nothing to respond yet. Until now. All right, got a Lake Mayor bass here. Small. There's a bass. Sound like something hit.
Oh yeah.
All right.
It should be hit.
Your own flippity flop. Oh, this water's warm too.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Yeah. Maybe a big one is running around then. Somebody had a bath already? All right, thanks, man. What's up, Big Pharaoh? How you doing, man?
It's Dad's house.
What's up, man? Give me a pound. You know what a pound is? Give me a pound. Give me a fist bump. There you go. There you go. Last time I saw you, man, you remember last time I was here? You was mad? You're like, nah. I don't know. You talking about somebody else. Ooh, I feel wet. I feel moist and wet. I feel wet, man. I feel wet. You feel wet? You feel wet?
Yeah.
Huh? Your head is wet. Definitely think something had it by the tail. Come on, y'all. Show me that big boy love. Got him. Got a fish. Oh, this thing is skinny. Yeah. He's a skinny one too. These things ought to be eating left and right as skinny as this thing is. Need the pliers too. Little skinny fella. Thank you, sir. All right. We up to 3 now. Not bad. I was getting ready to give up. I was on my way over to your house.
What is that?
A little plastic worm.
Yeah.
They like the black and blue, seems to be working. Ain't no need to switch to nothing else, but I sure like one of them big boys to step up to the plate. So the key, at least for those hits, is slow dragging on the bottom, because nobody has come up to hit. But that's that perseverance. I was ready to move and call it a day, but I said, no, man, they in here. So I ain't got nowhere to go except to get me some rest before I hit the road in the morning. So we out here. We out here. Maybe some action might start popping up too. Maybe get a little feeding frenzy going on here. I might be in the right spot at the right time.
Yo, man, come in. This is what I want you to do for me. I want you to take this paper out there, and I want you to sell it. I want you to let them know that the promise is coming, all right? This is my story, and I want it to be told. You got that? You handle that? Come on, then. Let's rock.
This is my story. That makes a man into red. The funk with the funk of the funkiness. Get up, get down, get up, get down, get down. Get around and you know.
This is my story.
This is my story. That makes a man into red to live in a house of pain. No one to blame. I hate refrain, and I'm coming like a freight train. And when you think it's all over, here comes the rain. Here comes the rain. Here comes the rain. This is my story. That makes a man into red. Born 6'4", I'm born 2 times. So raise your hands and raise your minds. Raise your level each and every time. The Lord, my Savior, deliver the flavor. Now each one, reach one, and teach one primer. And I just begun.
Hey, as always, giving honor to my Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ. Without him, none of this is possible. Wouldn't even be here. Made it safely down the road, 8 hours, still traveling toward Florida. So I'm thankful for his traveling grace and his traveling mercy. And I pray the same for y'all out on this 4th of July. I pray that everyone's have a safe one and a good one. And happy 4th of July. From Revy Red. All right, let's get back to fishing. All right, come here.
Okay.
All right,
It's okay.
put this hand right here. All right, you got to get a good grip of it. You let it fall down all the way to the, wait a minute, not yet. I'll tell you when.
Wait.
Now lift it up. You gotta be it nice and slow. There you go. Nice. Lift it up. Real. Wait a minute. Let it drop. Let it drop. Let it drop. Lift it up. All right, let it drop. Let it drop. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. There it is. Come on. Come on. You got him. Reel it. Reel it. Reel it. Reel it. Reel it. You got him. Reel it. There you go. Reel it. Keep on. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. You got him. Come on. Let's bring him in. You got him, man. Look. Don't run. Look at that. You caught him, man. Give me a high five. That's why I told you, let it sit. Let it sit.
I can fit. You gotta fit.
Well, you gotta take a picture of this one. Oh, did it? Go grab my phone out my bag. This is Pharaoh's fish. You caught this, man.
Yeah.
That's your first fish. I know you ain't gonna touch
God, hi, you. God, hi.
Yeah, Pharaoh, you got it.
You gave me a hi.
All right, here. Take a picture of us. Turn around, Pharaoh, this way. We're gonna take a picture.
Yeah, say cheese.
Take it.
Say cheese.
Take it.
Pharaoh.
Pharaoh.
Yeah.
Take it long ways. Yeah. Come on. Say cheese. Say bass.
Bye.
Good job. High five.
You want to hold them?
High five.
Here. Put your hand, thumb right there.
I got you.
There you go. You good?
I don't want to.
You don't want to? Well, you did touch him. Thank you, sir. Uh-oh.
Good job.
Yeah, man.
My high five. Where's my high five?
Your first fish.
High five. What happened? They cut you?
No,
Your nose.
no. My little cuz got his first fish, y'all. What happened right there? On a fishing rod? Uh-oh. You got your first casualty too? Or from your nose, one or the other. Hey, it's Reverend Big John's backyard fishing. Out here with my cuz, little cuz Pharaoh, big cuz Miss Lucia, Sarah. Hey, it's Reverend Big John. Always remember, keep the Lord first and keep your lines tight. God bless. I'll see you next time on the water.